Hello everyone, do you remember this foam base I made before? If you don't and interested to watch the step-by-step tutorial about how to make it, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat in this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a larger flower arrangement and the effect. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, we need to make the foam base larger. Look at this. We make this foam base by using the cardboard, the size about A2 size cardboard. So we need to add additional cardboard to make it larger. Very simple. Just cut the cardboard and make the hole. The procedure about how to cut and make the hole on the cardboard. Check the old tutorial about how to make this foam base. I don't repeat on this video. Just show you how I extend the size. Using this clip to nail on it will be okay. Very easy. Look, also this plate. Okay, so the following step, we just tie the flower foam on the ball will be okay. The procedure is same as the tutorial about how to make the small flower foam like this. I don't repeat it. On this video, we'll show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I add 2 more foam on the flower foam base I made before. Okay, the next step will be very simple. Just use our flower head and short stem. Put them different flower, different color, different type of the flower, and put them on the foam. Also, different type of leaf. Put them on the flower foam to make the flower arrangement. Since there are no rules to make how to make the flower arrangement, just make it until satisfied will be okay. So I don't show the detail on this video. I will show you the effect after completing. And also, if you want to get to know my idea about how to make the arrangement, click here for my old tutorial. Just share you my experience. But today's flower arrangement, I will use some new material. This type of leaf. Look, the leaf comes with the stem. So it maybe could make the flower arrangement much more larger because the stem is long and rich of leaf. Just insert them to the flower foam will be okay. I will show you the effect after completing. And also, I will make another 2 flower arrangement by using this flower foam. Okay, look, completed with the flower arrangement. Let's check it. I like this color of the rose. Very pretty, pink color. Okay, let's tie on the hole on this part. Very easy, just turn it around. Careful will be okay. If you are using the cardboard, much more harder than the one I use. That will be much more better, but anyway, it could work. Very sturdy. Okay, look, here's the hole and the string we prepare when we make the base. You can use the screw instead of the string, that will be better. But since I do not have the screw on hand, so I use the string. Okay, look, this is 4 hooks. I tie on the cardboard. Turn it around and check the flower arrangement will be okay. This one drop off, we just put it back will be okay. Okay, completed with the flower arrangement. It's time to set up the stand. Put the stand and tie the tube on the stand. Because the flower arrangement will be larger, so we need to connect two tubes like this to support the flowers. Tie with the string will be okay. Okay, then let's put on the fabric. Okay, then take a fabric, very long fabric. Just put it on the stand. Since the fabric is smooth, so we need to use a clip to hold the fabric. And then there's no rules, just roll it to cover the tube, to cover the post will be okay. Just roll it randomly and adjust a little bit will be okay. Okay, make a larger one. Okay, and another row until cover all the pole will be okay. It depends on the size of your stand. And then we need to adjust the ruffle, adjust the sweat. But adjust two ends of the sweat will be okay. Okay, almost complete, I think. Then let's hang up our flower arrangement. Okay, now let's put on our flower arrangement. Look at this, the hook we tied. So just use the hook to hold on the pole will be okay. Look. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. We can keep adjust the fabric to make sure the size of the sweat match our flower arrangement and the whole looking. But anyway, I think it will be okay. Let's raise up the stand to check the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I raise up the stand. And then let's tie this flower arrangement on the other side of the stand. Okay, we will tie the flower arrangement on this pole. Look at the flower arrangement and let's check it. Check the back side. I tied two of the phone case with the string to make the flower arrangement. If you do not have the phone case, you can use the cardboard together with our net holder. That will be also okay. Okay, then let's tie it on the string on the stand with the string. I'll show you the effect after completing. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Let's zoom in for the detail. This is our new leaf this time. And our old leaf, our flower. I like this color very much. If you tie the flower arrangement on this tube with string, it will be not much firm. Just tie a long string and use a hook to hold it on the stand. That will be much more sturdy, much more firm. In fact, we have some clip, so we can stick on the foam base and clamp on the pole. That will be much more easy and firmly, but I don't have them on hand. Maybe in the future I can buy some to show you. So please don't skip the advertisement when you're watching this video, so that I could get the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and show you much more idea. Okay. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on the table. Look at the table skirt. If you want to know how to DIY the table skirt starting with the fabric, click here for the tutorial. Okay, look. This is the whole effect. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.